Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now moving on from the style book, the next change that you are going to come across is the addition of additional CSS. So for those of you who have been following Blogging Unplugged, you must be familiar with the fact that I published a video on adding a customizer to the block themes basically. Okay, and that the reason behind creating that video was it was missing a bunch of options, and it makes the transition process to block themes a little bit easier for people who are more into customizer based themes like me. Okay, so you get the option of additional CSS there, and this option was missing in basically until WordPress 6.1. so let me show you where the additional CSS was, how the additional CSS was missing. So you can go right over here and you can click this option right over here, and you can see the additional CSS option is missing, right? This is the welcome guide and restore to default. So right now this option has been added to the style settings. So let me exit this, close this, and you can see I am in the main style menu, and I can click right over here and it will show me the additional CSS option. So I can click this additional CSS and I can add my code right over here and then save the changes. Okay, so this is the purpose of basically, so if you want to see this in action, so I can just simply go in and I will add a background color. I'll make it red, and you can see the changes are reflected instantly. I gave it a color red so that you can see the changes instantly, right? So this is the additional CSS option that was missing in WordPress before basically WordPress 6.2 beta. So this option you will not find in WordPress 6.1. This is what I mean. Okay, now a very similar option to additional CSS has been added to the blocks right over here. So for that, let's just select this heading block right over here. Okay, because we have been making changes to the headings. So you can see a very similar option, additional block CSS, has been added right over here. So I can click this option and add my CSS code right over here. Okay, so you can see right over here, if I will add this code right over here, background color red, it will automatically pick up. Now in case if I will write the exact code, so for example if I will write it with the help of a selector and stuff like that, it will not pick up because WordPress automatically adds that specifier or that selector to this code. So keep this in mind while you are using this in the blocks section. So if you are using additional CSS in terms of blocks, so if you are using this option right over here, this is what I mean. If you are using the additional block CSS, then remember you just have to write the CSS rest. WordPress will take care of it. In case you are using classes, of course, yes, use classes, right? You will have to specify those classes, but if this is for the headings like general headings or paragraph p tag and stuff like that, then you will just have to write that code, and that's it. Okay, now when it comes to additional CSS, which is right over here, this option, you will have to write the complete code. You will have to use the selectors, the specifiers and stuff like that. Okay, so keep this in mind. Now these are the changes that you will see in WordPress 6.2 when it comes to the style setting.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.